Let's consider the question that we have on the board. X raised to the power of x raised to the power of 3 equals to 36. We are asked to solve for the value of x. Okay, how do we solve for the value of x in this equation? The first step is that we have to take the cube of both sides. Okay, we have to cube both sides. So I'm going to have x raised to the power of x raised to the power of 3 all the raised to the power of 3 equals to 36 raised to the power of 3. Do you understand? Okay, we have cubed both sides. Now the next step is that according to laws of indices, I can rewrite 36 as 36 can be written as 6 raised to the power of 2, right? So I'm going to replace 36 as 6 raised to the power of 2. So I'm going to have x raised to the power of x raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 3 equals to 6 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay, now according to laws of indices, I can rewrite, that x raised to the power of y raised to the power of z can be written as x raised to the power of yz. Do you know? Like if you have an exponent in a bracket and that same entity is raised to another power, you can take the product of that power. Do you understand? And there is another law that says that x raised to the power of y raised to the power of z equals to x raised to the power of x raised to the power of z raised to the power of y. Do you understand? We just change the power. It's still the same. Okay, so let us apply these laws in this equation. For this, I'm going to have this one that you see here can be written as x raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 3. Do you understand? And according to the law that I used here, listen to me carefully. At the left hand side, the law that I used was this. I make use of this law. You understand? I change the power, like this x raised to the power of 3, I bring it outside, and this 3 I bring it inside. Do you understand? So that's how I have this. Now for the next one, let us take the product of the power. 6 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3 can be written as 6 raised to the power of 2 times 3. Abi, just like what we have here. So I'm going to have 6 raised to the power of 6. Do you understand? Okay, having gotten to this point, you can see that we have the same base and the same power. Like according to law of indices, if you have a raised to the power of a equals to b raised to the power of b, that means that a equals to b. Do you understand? So from what we have here, x raised to the power of 3 can be we can equate it to 6. And the simple reason is because at the power as well, we have x raised to the power of 3, and at the right hand side, the power is also what? X raised to the power of 6. So I'm going to have x raised to the power of 3 equals to 6. So to get the value of x, we have to take the cube root of both sides. Okay.